Hello, I'm Moises Bantoa. We're going to be doing some more Leetcode today. I just completed this, what's it called? Is valid sudoku. It's actually a really cool solution where you iterate through the points here, the 2D array, but what you check at each time is treating the rows. A few separate dictionaries, you have the rows as a key, the columns as a key, the squares. You have another dictionary for the squares in Sudoku, and use the tuple of the row and the column divided by 3. Oh, let me fix that actually. Integer division by 3 to track the location of that square, and you check each time in the dictionary for each element in this board. You check if there's a duplicate in the rows, the columns, or the squares. And if you run this, it should return false. Let's see. Try another solution actually, or another input. This one should return false. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, shouldn't be. Continue. Oh, this is broke. Let me fix this. Oops. This is a different problem, but getting at it anyways. You need to do the same conditional check for each dictionary. Is that ending right? Yeah, I think that's right. Works, false, boom. Alright, so this is good. But now we move on to longest consecutive. Given an array of integers, nums, return the length of the longest consecutive sequence of elements that can be formed. Consecutive sequence is a sequence of elements in which each element is exactly one greater than the previous element. The elements do not have to be consecutive in the original array. Must be O(n). We have 2. Exactly one greater. 2, 20, 4. So this wouldn't work. This wouldn't work. This wouldn't work. This would be fine, and then this would be fine. 4. Fuck. Alright, so this has to be in 2 to 5. Longest 0 to 3, no. 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 Output is 7. Oh my god. Alright. So we can't sort it. What the hell? We take the length of the array, and that's the maximum possible output. Obvious answer is sort it and then do the check. That'll be n log n. I'm thinking we just decrement it. So in this one, 0, you have a 1, you have a 2, you have a 3, 5, 4, 6. A set of numbers. I put this into a set. Get the max. Min. A. A. Throw this into a set. You start with the minimum. You get 0. It's plus 1 in the set. No. Pop it. Yes. Okay, hold on. You pop. You can't do anything with it, so you just get rid of it. And then you get the minimum again from the set, and then you get 1. And then you check, is 2 in the set? It is. Okay, good. And then you check, is 3 in the set? It is. Alright, cool. And then you keep incrementing your return value. And then you check, is 4 in it? It is. Okay, nice. Is 5 in it? It is. You keep incrementing. And then you get to 6. And it is. And then you get 7. Oh wait, no. There we go. So you would start at the minimum and then 1, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Perfect. And then this one you get the minimum 4. You check if there's a 5 in it. No, you start at 3. What the you start at 2. And then you start at 3. And then you go to 3, and then you go plus 1, there's 4, and you go plus 5. Plus 1, there's 5. Alright, perfect. What about the max? How do you know when to stop? Well, you could just pop all those values, now that I think about it, from the set. You can pop them from the set. You don't care about them anymore. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. This might be a little bit of cheating, but I'm actually a little rusty on Python. I'm looking at the functions. Add. Remove. Just put remove. Alright, let's get at it. Let's see how this goes. Boom. I think you would just get you just get a list of unique values. So just in this case, it would be 2, 20, 40, 4, 10, 3, 4, and 5. Well, just 1, 4. And then min No idea how to get the minimum. W3 school. It is just min. Alright. Yep. Time complexity is what I care about. Yeah, ON. Alright, still ON. That's all I care about. Smallest. Damn it. Damn it. Scene. Damn it. Then, smallest value. What are we doing at each one? While contains. Scene dot contains. Such. Let's start with I. Smallest I. Let's just keep the smallest variable. Roll with it. Keep some kind of counter. And then we need to track the return value. Oops, Java showing. Res is equal to 0. Just expecting it to. Longest consecutive. Should start at 1 or 0? Start at 1. What do you return if input is empty? Return 0. Yeah, let's just handle that edge case. So we have some values we can declare. And at that point, it'd be 1. If the set contains the ith value plus 1, what are we doing each time? And then our counter. Can't increment at the length of the set. Track the and a condition. But we're gonna be decrementing or decreasing the size of the hash set while we increment through it. I don't even know if this is possible, honestly, but we're going through it. It's crazy how this makes me. While it's not equal 0, contains is unknown. Oh, there's there we go. But we keep caring about the smallest value as we remove it. If we remove it and then we redeclare the smallest value, that runs an ON inside of a while loop. Yeah, I don't think that works. Alright, what's the solution? The hell? Num set longest. I don't know why he's going through the max. If n. I don't know why he's going through the length and the longest. It's just comparing it. That's the return value. Oh, he's iterating through the set itself. Wait, no. Each number. Oh, it's simultaneously going through the original array and the set. Ayo. Shit. I think that'd be useful. N plus the length and the num set. I don't know what the hell that is. I want to watch the explanation. I don't think that logic works. I don't know if I can iterate through this and just keep popping values while I'm still iterating through it. I think that works. I don't know. If it's in there, I'm using it. If I plus 1 in scene, I agree this is a little messier, but it always has the minimum. We get the next smallest value. We remove it and then get the new smallest value. And then smallest is now equal to min seam. This seems crazy, but I think it works. Get the shot on face. Recursion. Your code is too inefficient. I knew it, yeah. Hold on. Nah, man, I think I think this works. Vaguely. Infinite loop. It's bummer, man. Bummer. Oh well. I was on the right track with the set. I'll stick to that. Basically, what I've gotten from Leetcode is you can throw some memory at it, get some pointers, know how to iterate through a tree, iterate through some 2D arrays, you'll be fine.